So we are here at limited edition. These selections for sneakers for New Balance, Nike, Jordans. And we are back here at Foot Locker sa labas ng Macy's. Yan. Let's just check out if the prices are just the same or if they indeed have sale. So these are the selections. So for New Balance sneakers, 159 SGD. Let's check out their Jordans. Kasama ko si Kalea. Hi anak. Sneaker vlogging. So this one, they have Jordans. They have really good selections of Jordan also. Jordan Mix. I think this is the True Blue. Oh, 189. Jordan 1 though. Blue. Let's check out the women's. The women's section. So just multiply it by 40. That's the price. I think this is the Jordan Luca. Jordan Luca is priced at $119 US. Hi guys, so we are here at East 8 Sneaker and Tea Concept Store. Let's check out their sneakers and the prices. Yeah. So they have dunk lows. They have really good selection in fairness. So for this one, I'm not sure with the price. Walang nakalagay. But I saw the price of the dunk low. Oh, so there's a lobster here. Dunk low lobster. Orange lobster. Not sure what's the price here. Let's ask. They have good selection of sneakers. Oh, Travis. Hi. How much for the orange lobster?
1,000.
SGD, right? These are all brand new, right?
Brand new.
Right.
Yeah.
Wow, this is like heaven. Up there. So the price of the orange lobster dunk low is 1,000 SGD, so just convert it with times 40. So this is the Jordan Lost and Found.